Good afternoon, friends. My name is Aravind and I'm from India. So how many of you tried the sweet outside here? There's a sweet section here, right? How many of you tried the sweets there? None of you? Oh, I think it's pretty good. I tried it yesterday and even today it was pretty good. But I didn't have a lunch today, so I ended up having that for my lunch. So I'm happy to be here, and I thank Stephanie to give me an opportunity to come and speak here. I'm introducing Ju, our classmate. Ju is from Seoul, Korea. She has completed her undergraduate degree in public administration. Prior to coming here, she has also taken some classes in Korea for grammar, writing, then even for public speaking. But she feels that the classes in the US on the public speaking and the writing are much better than the ones they have in Korea. Then after that she came here recently during the spring semester, and now she plans to complete the SAL program and go back to Korea. So this is the introduction about her education background, and after that she plans to finish her undergraduate program in Korea, and she plans to prepare for the public she wants to prepare for the public officer post. So she wants to prepare for the exam in order to get to the public officer post. That's about her educational and background. She doesn't have any professional experience, but she wants to now focus on her English skills, and then she wants to prepare for her future academic goals. She has a brother, and he is right now in business administration. He's also an undergraduate student in Korea. During the free time, she wants to listen to music. She likes traveling a lot. In fact, I was shocked when I heard how many places she has traveled. Almost like I think 10 to 15 places in the world she has traveled. I was so amazed by that. She has been to Canada and I think Italy, France. I couldn't count on my fingers. So that's about Ju, and I think you have a great time in SAL and achieve your academic goals. Thank you.
Thank you.